How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to discuss a common question that I get, and that is, how is the cost of commercial property insurance determined? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, there is no one-size-fits-all answer here. There are a lot of factors that every insurance company takes into consideration, but my goal is to give you a better understanding of what actually drives pricing. The first major factor is going to be the replacement cost of the property itself. The higher the replacement cost, basically what it would cost to completely rebuild the property from the ground up, the higher your premium is more likely to be. This replacement cost takes into account the size and square footage of the building, the construction type, and also the age of the property, as well as some other factors. Next is the location of the property. If your building is in an area that is prone to natural disasters, such as tornadoes, floods, earthquakes, or even maybe high crime rates, you can most likely expect your insurance costs to reflect the increased risk. Another important factor is what the property is actually used for. A warehouse or a manufacturing facility dealing with highly flammable materials is going to cost more to insure than maybe just a standard office building. The more hazardous the operations on site, the higher the risk of a claim happening. So naturally, the premium is going to be higher as well. And finally is your claims history. If your business has a history of frequent or severe claims, that is most likely going to drive the cost of the premium up as well. Now let's talk about a few ways that you can influence this cost. One key factor is going to be your deductible. Choosing a higher deductible, meaning that you pay more out of pocket when a claim does happen, can lower your premium. But this is a trade-off with lower upfront costs, lower premium, but then in the event of a claim, you would pay more out of pocket. Another factor is building updates and overall maintenance. If your property has modern safety features like a fire suppression system and enhanced security monitoring, this could help reduce the insurance costs, as well as things like an updated roof. Insurance companies really like to see that your property is well maintained and that you're staying up to date with your regular maintenance. And then last is, if you can and are able to, try to have the same insurance company write multiple lines of coverage for you. So if one insurance company is writing the property, try to have them also write your general liability, commercial auto, potentially workers' comp, because the more premium that you have with one insurance company, the higher likelihood they are able to give you discounts or increased credits. It'd be very similar to your personal insurance and bundling your home and auto, and the discounts that an insurance company would give you for doing that. So what can you expect to pay? While there can be a huge variety, you can expect the cost to maybe start at 10 cents per square foot and potentially go up to 30 cents a square foot or much more, depending on all of the factors that I mentioned, as well as any others that the specific insurance company might take into consideration. So overall, as you can see, there are a variety of factors that go into the cost of your commercial property insurance, but there are some things that you can do to try to help lower those costs as well, which is good. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's personal or commercial, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.